Now, there's a way for your entire family to achieve their complete health and well-being for the lifestyle they deserve. It's Bellevue Total Health, the most integrated approach to improving your health, utilizing medicine, chiropractic, and physical therapy. Visit our Manitowoc Road office and discover a warm and inviting place dedicated to our integrated approach. The best thing about our facility is that we're not limited by one method of healthcare. Our practice is a unique mix of doctors and providers offering the safest, most natural alternatives to restoring health: medicine, chiropractic, physical therapy, acupuncture and massage, and nutrition. Once empowered and motivated through patient education, our patients may achieve their best health possible. With our advanced approach in outcomes and diagnostic equipment, we track your progress and reduce treatment times while ensuring your treatment is effective. This reduces cost. If your goal is to find a safe and effective method of addressing your health needs naturally, you owe it to yourself to contact Bellevue Total Health today.